Okay, as it turns out, it's all well and good to take off that one side, but this one is special and seems I need to take the case off, the case cover off on the other side, at least to get to the drives. It might also be the way to fix the problem I'm having getting that last screw off the motherboard. We're gonna find out. So big screws out of the way, and Mr. Case cover comes off. A little more abruptly than I'd like, but whatever, it'll do. And what do you know? There's the other drive. There's the hard drive's other two screws. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a look here and see what is Mr. Motherboard's problem. Looks like I might have missed another screw. Okay. So I'm going to set him back down. And you're going to get a closer look at what I'm doing, because the first part of these videos, was done at a bit too far away. Okay, so just get that last screw off, we should be able to take care of all problems that we have been encountering. As you see, I've taken off my static strip, but I'm putting it back on so as not to blow anything up. Now, on a microscopic level anyways.